Hi guys, welcome to How to Wednesday, and as promised, today we are going to show you how to set up the Aputure 300 D2 LED light. This is a versatile and powerful light that can be used for a variety of photography and videography projects.
So let's get started and learn how to set up this amazing light for your next project.
Sure, so Victor,
Yeah.
what do we have here?
So on my left hand side,
Yeah.
we have the light stand, we have the dome,
Yeah.
and we have the aperture.
Okay, so we start off by showing our lovely viewers what we have inside this lovely bag. If you can take us through.
So we have the light itself, the
Yeah.
Aputure 300D.
Yeah.
That's what it's look like. We have the ballast. It uses either V-mount batteries or direct power. We have the clamp that attaches the ballast to the light stand. Then we have power cables,
Yeah.
for your power supply.
And
Yeah.
this.
This is a reflector, but for today we are not going to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all that was in that bag. Victor, if we can now
Yeah,
go
we can
straight
go
to the
straight
setting up
to the
of the
setting
light.
So first of all, we are going to attach the light, the clamp to your light stand.
Yeah.
So you make sure you open it as wide so that you can be able to attach it to your stand.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it goes far wide. Yeah. So you
Then
make sure
rotate
you,
it.
it's by rotation. So you
Yeah.
make sure you attach it
Secure it.
tightly,
Yeah.
and then now you can attach your ballast.
Okay. Can put it this way.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. After your ballast is tightly attached to the clamp,
Yeah.
you can go ahead with the light. So you open it up, make sure you tight, and then
So that it doesn't rotate.
Yeah.
This rotates up to 360 degrees.
and then you make sure that you tightly close your joints so that the light does not play about. And then finally we go to the power cables
Yeah.
for your power supply. This first one goes from the ballast to the light. You can help us with that.
Sure.
So this last power cable goes from the main power source to your ballast. So I'm going to connect that. So that's your setup for
And
the light.
the power cable nicely locks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For each power cable there is a certain click to make sure
Is in place.
it is intact.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can now go ahead
With the
to the
dome.
light dome. Yeah.
So this is done.
Yeah, it's done. Just
Okay.
simple.
Yeah, we can move it
Oh,
kidogo.
yeah.
Yeah. So guys, here is the light dome. This is how it looks when it's collapsed. In the inside, we have 16 rods. These are the rods. Now to set it up, you have to hold your rod and pull it up until it snaps in place. Just like that. Go to the next, pull up until it snaps in place. To the next, pull up until it snaps in place. So that is the process for all of these rods. Yeah. Two to go. Yeah. and then you close up the dome. Just like that. And you have your dome ready for use. So Victor,
Yeah.
for us to mount it on the light, we have to remove this.
Yeah, we have to remove it, and to remove it, we have a lock on top of the. You can tilt it down more. We have a lock over here.
Yeah.
So you push it up, and then you
Rotate.
turn. Yeah. So this is a protector for your bulb.
Yeah.
So to mount the dome, you just need to place it alongside here and make sure you align it with this, and then turn it until it clicks.
So let's rotate this for our viewers to see it as you mount the dome.
Just like that. Then you have your light.
Yeah, your dome is now in place, and so is your light. We also forgot to mention that the dome comes with 2 diffusers. One is a thick material and the other one is a thin material. It also comes with the honeycomb grid and a gel holder, just in case you want to use one. So that has been it from us. In case you need more information or to purchase a light from us, kindly give us a call at 0796 262028 or visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke. Until next time, bye.